a movie, man, my niggas ain't no bitch, and I spent
YouTube, what it do? Back at it again, bro, with a second POV. The first one was fucking ass, I'm not gonna lie to you. YouTube, what's poppin', man? Hey, man, that's why I'm over here. Well, you in today, though, man. How your week been going so far? Just started. But I don't want to take up too much time. Just give y'all a quick walk around of the car, quick walk around of the V-ski. The last time I had the POV set up, man, with the camera, the first 2 seconds would look so promising. After that, it looked like I was looking up at the sky, yo.
And y'all niggas ain't gonna say nothing. I'm just sitting here with her cake.
But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think of the V right now. Is she dirty? She real dirty. But hey, man, it's finna be a quick POV. No lie, cause this GoPro is finna die soon. But sturdy, chat. Should we get sturdy real quick? Fuck it, bro. Gas is high for a reason, right? I get tuned, I'm telling y'all, it's over, it's over, it's over. Let me cuidado, let me cuidado. dangerous, y'all. Sport mode is too dangerous, bro. How I'm casually doing 100 like that, and I feel like I'm going like 70. What's this Dodge on right here? Let me see. What you on? What you on? What you on?